Okay, so now that we mentioned today non-Jews and how this laws of Teshuvah apply to them, so this famous statement from Talmud Nida 30b that said that while still in the womb, the fetus is taught the entire Torah, and then an angel makes him forget it before he's born, right?
Yes.
Does it apply only to Jews, to Jewish souls, or what about the non-Jews regarding this issue?
It's a very good question. I'm not sure. So in a Talmud, usually, so we see in our books, most of the things, apply only to Jews, and if it's something special, they would say that it applied to non-Jews. So I would assume that that's my personal feeling. So since it did not say, I see non-Jews, they're not obligated to learn the Torah on the same level as Jews. You understand? So I would say no, but I'm not 100% sure.
Thank you, Rabbi. Yes, because when a person, when the Jew is in the process of doing Teshuvah, I've heard this, that when they hear the Torah, they feel this familiarity. They feel familiar with these things. They feel like they're being repeated something that they knew from back in the day, from before. But some non-Jews, like, they show virtually any interest in regards to this issue. So I don't know. This has to do with the whole issue, perhaps.
First of all, not every Jew who doing Teshuvah would have such a feeling. Maybe from time to time, because it's true that the person forgets. It's like this concept of deja vu, right? It's like you've already been here in this place. So it's like you heard this thing before, whatever is being said. Did I have such things? I think so, but. Right, I did, but I'm not sure from where was it. Maybe I learned before, like, and then forget. Also possible, or like sometimes you learn and cannot concentrate, so you like, but it still goes into back in your mind. It's subconscious. So that's also very, very important to know. So when a person dies after 120 years, he goes to Shemaim and he gets to learn all of the Torah that he actually tried to learn and could not understand. Right? So of course we're trying to understand, and but at the end of the day, so don't be very upset, because that's the Torah that you would be explained and dwell upon. So people who did not learn, so there is no Torah to learn, and Torah is the biggest pleasure in Shemaim. Of course, it's also pleasure here. But I heard many times that people learn Torah, they don't have pleasure. I said, you don't have pleasure because you never learned. So learn meaning you try to understand deep inside, deep inside, right? And then you have this pleasure, this measurable treasure, like how it's you read this book, and everything comes together into one, like all pieces fit exactly. So that's, for me, that's when I feel this unbelievable pleasure. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.